These are Snapchat filter earrings. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brooke if you're new here. In today's video, I'm going to be DIYing these Snapchat filter earrings. I saw it on the Snapchat filter and I loved them so much, so I decided to look them up and they didn't exist. I couldn't find them anywhere. So I decided to just make them myself. You've probably seen this filter on Kylie Jenner if you follow her. She posts it on her Instagram and her Snapchat a lot. I'll put the picture on the screen right here somewhere. But yeah, I think they're super cute. I just got like a bag of a bunch of them, so you can really just make them with like any color so they can match any outfit. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and leave a comment down below if you would ever wear these earrings. I think they're so cute and I love them, and I'm definitely gonna be wearing them. It literally cost me, I think it was like $5 or something to get two of these things at Michael's. I already had the earrings and I'm not gonna glue them onto the earrings, so if you want to do the same thing, it literally costs $5 to make them and they're super cute. So let's just get onto the video. It's really short, but whatever. So for this video, you're going to need some puffs. You can get ones bigger than this. I just wanted to go smaller just in case they looked funny. And then you're gonna need these, what are they? What the heck are these called? Eye pins. They have like a whole thingy at the end. And then just a pair of stud earrings. I'm just using these diamond ones. So first you're gonna need to take two of the puffs. I'm gonna do the pink ones because that's what it's like on the Snapchat filter. Then you're gonna need two of these eye pins. If you want, you can take your earring and glue it to the back of this and glue it to it like that, but I'm just gonna leave it so when I just put it on whenever, I can use these earrings without it too. You're gonna wanna take the glue and like stab it through like that with the glue on the tip of this pin. And you're just gonna take these, and again, you can glue it like this into the back of that, but I'm just gonna leave it, and then your earring's gonna look like that, and it's obviously gonna look better on your ear. So this is what all the cool dogs are wearing.
Oh, what a pretty girl. You pretty girl.
And that was it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. I think these earrings turned out super cute and they're so easy to make. You could honestly make them for like Christmas gifts or something and people wouldn't even know that you made them. Honestly, like I think they're so cute. But if you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave a comment down below from what else you want to see me do on here. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!